Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the media uses Eac3 audio, because MX Player needs the right codec to decode it. Install the official MX Player app and then the matching codec pack for your device architecture. Pick ARM or ARM64 accordingly. Once done, open the file and test with software decoders first. Make sure playback fails before switching hardware options. This distinguishes codec issues from hardware acceleration problems and prevents toggling settings blindly. Next, move the downloaded codec. So file into MX Player's plugin folder or follow the app prompt to install it. This allows MX Player to detect and use the Eac3 module. Then, go to Settings Decoder and explicitly select the installed codec pack so the player binds that library to the stream. After that, toggle hardware acceleration options, HW, HW+, and SW, to see which yields correct audio. This step isolates whether the issue is decoder availability or hardware incompatibility. To finish, verify sound by playing the file. If you still have no audio, re-download the codec matching your CPU architecture and reboot the device to ensure the library loads. If that fails, convert the audio track to AC3 or AAC using a quick remux or conversion tool, which resolves compatibility without altering video. Finally, test the file on VLC or a desktop player to confirm the source is intact. If it plays elsewhere, focus back on MX Player settings and codec placement as the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.